Hello, Forex traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn Forex with Davidson. And in today, I'm back for you guys with exciting news. I'm sure you already know what the news is for, but before we get into that, this channel is Learn Forex with Davidson, and if you want to stay updated in the forex market, you want to get the latest gist, you want the latest news, you want to know what's going to happen next in the forex market, you want to be among the big boys in the Wall Street, in the big banks, you want to stay updated about the forex market and what to do next every every week. You want to know what to do. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss out whenever I bring you amazing content, because this channel is one of those channels. I'm not kidding, right? Okay, let's move into the good news for today here. You all know yesterday was NFP, and guess what? We killed it. We nailed it. So guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm not just happy for the fact that I made over $7,000 yesterday. I'm not just happy for that, but I'm happy because I was able to make some of you millionaires yesterday. I mean, that is my joy. I mean, some of you who have been my followers, who have been following me for the longest, you know what I'm talking about. I mean, last 3 weeks we were able to make $4,000. I mean, and many of you testified about it. You know how you guys made huge amount of money from the forex market, and just yesterday, 3 weeks later, we made $7,000. I mean, many of you were excited in the Telegram community. I got comments, people sending DMs of how much they make. Davidson, thank you so much. Davidson, thank you so much. Davidson, I went from $50. I'm now in $300. Davidson, I went from $200. I'm now. It was just too much. But all I could say is, first, thank you guys for believing in me. Thank you guys for being part of the community. I mean, because you are part of my community, I have to give you the best. So if you want to be part of my Telegram community, click the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram channel so that you can stay updated. You can get really cool trading analysis that's going to change your life for good. This is 2025. You don't finish. 2025 is gone already. You want to be a big boy. You want to roll with the big boys. What are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. Click the link in the description of this video to join the Telegram community. All right, guys, that being said, I want to show you guys a quick review because I still got comments like, Davidson, how did you know this was going to happen? Because no one knew about this. I mean, only the big boys knows about this. Trading the news is one of those things that is difficult for beginner traders, and you must be a pro trader. I mean, you don't have to be a pro trader literally before you know how to trade news, but you have to understand the impact of the news before you can tell how or what pair or what you need to do when a news comes out, right? So I'm going to take you guys into a quick journey on my chart right now. I'm going to show you guys what really happened, what played out, what made me take the decision I took yesterday for us to be able to bring out $7,000 from the market. So let's go into the chart right now. So looking at the chart now, you all know that the only pair we traded yesterday was the USDJPY, and USDJPY was this pair that made us this huge amount of money. I mean, I had other pairs I wanted to trade, I wanted us to jump on, but I like to stay focused. So I have to read out what I want to do. I don't want to take multiple options at the same time, but I want to be focused on what I know because I was so sure. So I don't have to like gamble on, okay, which pair should I jump up on. But I knew what I wanted to do and I went straight right into it, right? So looking at the chart right now is USDJPY, and USDJPY on a 1 hour time frame. Let me take you guys from a 1 hour time frame. Now you all know that we execute from the 1 hour time frame. After making our analysis up from 1 month to weekly to daily to 4 hours, we execute at 1 hour. So if you want to trade news, you really have to understand how the news really work before you can trade the news. I mean, not everyone knows how to do this. That's why you will see people blowing up their accounts on a news day when news come out and they want to make money. They don't know what to do. They just jump into a trade and the account is gone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to catch this move, right? So first of all, I want to show you guys the news, right? So back to Forex Factory. So Forex Factory is where all the magic is. You want to come here and see the latest news, right? You want to see the latest news. Sorry, guys. I have this thing on my throat that's been disturbing for days now. So you want to come to Forest Factory to see what news is coming out, what is the news about, and who is going to read out this news. You want to check the validity of the news. You want to know, you want to get these things in details. So yesterday, Friday, first week of the month was NFP. So first Friday of the month, and we have NFP. You can look at the news here. Already is it. So I'll open this up. And if you read this news, it says that the previous was 185K, and it was forecasted that it's going to, the forecast was 13K, and the actual, the real news that came out was 177K, which is what came out is positive, right? So the forecast was that it's going to come out negative, right? Lesser than the previous. But when it came out, the actual news was positive. It was greater than forecast. So this made it positive, which means all pairs that has USD as the base currency are going to rise, and all pairs that has the US currency as quote currency is going to fall. So this was what happened in the market yesterday. So right back to our chart here, you can see what happened. So USDJPY has USD as the base currency, and this trade, I took this trade on a 15 minutes time frame, because when you want to trade the news, you have to at least not really recommendable, but at least you have to go to a lower time frame where you can catch a lot of moves. So after on a 1 hour time frame, this was clear. It was clear to me that this has broken to the upside. It has broken through this minor support level, this yellow bar right there, right here. The market has broken above this already. The market has broken above this already. What does this tell you? It tells you that if the news comes out, because the market has broken through this level already, it's going to be a bullish move. It's going to be bullish. It's going to be bullish. And when the news came out positive, the market was really bullish. So what happened here was that I went down to the 15 minutes time frame to catch a lot of pips. You see what happened here? So this was what really gave me the confirmation to get into this trade. You see, market came here, broke through this level, retested before it went to the upside. So what I was looking for here was I was waiting for the market to break above this level. I was waiting for the market to break above this level, and when it did, that was when I stack up positions for a bullish move. So I stack up this position on USDJPY. I opened about just two positions. I didn't stack much, so I just stack up two positions, and this trade was able to print me over $7,000. I mean, that was massive. That was massive. And like I mentioned to you, every pair, because the news is positive, every pair that has the USD dollar as the base currency is going to rise, and every pair that has the US currency as the quote currency is going to fall. So let's take a few examples. If you look at GB XAU USD right now, XAU USD actually crashed yesterday, crashed from NFP, crashed XAU USD because XAU USD has USD as the quote currency. That was why it crashed. So gold, this was a support level that would have taken price. Let me take you back to 1 hour time frame. This was a really good support level, a really good support level that if price comes back to this level, if price comes from the top to this level, what we I was expecting was price to go back to this level, create a double bottom at this level, like W, a double bottom, and we reverse back to the upside. But because of the news, because of NFP yesterday, and the news came out positive, it took XAUSD back into the support level, and even broke through the minus support we had here. So right now we were only looking at USDJPY, and USDJPY did a very good pre-job for us, and this was how we were able to print out $7,000 from the forex market. I'm telling you this, and I'm so happy for you guys. Those of you who made money yesterday, some people made about $200, some people made 1,000, some people made 500, some made 300. Some said that they were able to grow their $20 account to about 60 something dollars. I saw all of your comments, I saw all of your screenshots, and I was so excited. So you want to join my community, you want to join my Telegram community, you want to be part of the community that has the latest gist, that has the latest market movement. We are chilling with the big boys, we are chilling with boys in the Wall Street. You want to be part of us. So click the link in the description of this video to join our Telegram channel to stay updated. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the bell notification icon so you don't miss out whenever I bring you amazing content just as this one. And lastly, for some of you who are looking to get a bigger capital and you do not have capital, I have my recommended prop firm. So you want to trade with my recommended prop firm, which is W Funded. W Funded is my recommended prop firm. I've been trading with W Funded for a while now. So I really recommend them for you guys. If you want to start, you can get account size as little as $3,000 account size for $35, somewhere about that. So it's easy, and with $35 you can get a 3,000 dollars account. So once you pass your two-step challenge, woo, they fund you live, guys. They fund you live. You go live, you trade live. I mean, come on, guys. The year is already divided. You want to get up, you want to rise up, you want to run, you want to fly, man. So that is that for today's video. I just wanted to share the good news to you guys and show you guys what really happened that got us such huge amount of money. And I'm sure you are excited. So bye for now.